Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the fault is the Solo 4, not your source. Play a stereo test track and swap cables or devices. Once done, you'll know it's the left or right driver. Make sure battery is above 50% to avoid low-power audio artifacts. Visually inspect the ear cup, hinge, and charging/aux ports for lint, corrosion, or a broken pin, because many one-side failures are physical connections rather than electronics. You'll now open the ear cup, gently pry off the cushion and remove the plastic cover. Keep track of clips and screws. Once inside, trace the wire from the jack to the driver, tug gently at connectors to test seating. If you see a broken solder joint or frayed wire, that's likely the culprit. Resolder or replace the harness. Make sure you understand polarity and shielding. Incorrect reconnection can reverse channels or introduce noise, so work methodically. You'll perform the repair. Strip 1-2 mm of insulation, apply flux, and reflow the solder at about 330–350 degrees C with a fine tip to restore reliable contact. Once cooled, seat connectors and route wires away from hinges. Reassemble partially and test audio before fully closing. This saves repeats. If sound returns, finish assembly and verify stereo balance. Troubleshooting tip. If one side remains dead after wiring checks, swap in a known good driver to isolate whether the speaker or crossover is defective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.